Hey guys, it's Sujoy over here. I'm back with another video. So today I'm going to just talk about how to build a sales funnel for free. Say if you're having an affiliate marketing business, if you're having an online business, if you're having a startup company, it's very important for your business to have a sales funnel. I would like to introduce you this software platform, funnel builder software platform called as System.io. It's free to join. Right now, I'm here at the dashboard. I've been using System.io for a few months now, and I have couple of landing pages. I've built a couple of funnels, sales funnels with them. This is what you get when you enroll with System.io as a free member. Of course, later you may like to upgrade your membership, which I highly recommend. You can see all these high converting landing pages. You have the test page, you have the opt in page, basically, the thank you page, where you can see a lot of different templates over here. And also, you can create your own funnel steps. Say for example, if you want to upsell, downsell, you want to create an order form, squeeze page, sales page. So they have all these pre-made templates with them. So I'm just going to, for this video illustration, I'm just going to select one high converting sales funnel. So say for example, if you have a furniture business, I'm going to just select this. You can even preview the funnel. I'm just going to you can create a subdomain like furniture test. Okay. Later, you can pick up a domain name from either GoDaddy and Namecheap, and of course, you can integrate with the funnel. So I'm just going to save it over here. Like I said, this is just an illustration video. So if I go to edit page, so now I'm going to be showing you how easy it is, and how beginner friendly System.io is when you're creating your when you're creating the sales funnels. Okay. You can change the images. So say for example, you don't want the headers, or you want to edit the headers, so you can even remove the header menus. So you could do that. You can change the image, you can change the headings. So say for example, Sam's, uh, Sam's Furniture Store. Okay, you can even change the descriptions. So you can see that you can take out certain elements from the sales page. You can make it as an opt-in page. So you can do a lot of things with System.io. You have these different elements. You can add more column layouts. You can add forms, social networks. So the list goes on. What I'm going to do is um, I'm going to leave a link down in the description below for you to get access to System.io. You can sign up for free. It's free to join. I believe as a free member, you can have up to 2,000 contacts. Like for the opt-in pages, you can integrate it with email marketing softwares like GetResponse, Mailchimp. So the link is going to be down in the description below for you to sign up with System.io. It's for free. If you like watching this video, make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. I hope you guys found this tutorial to be insightful. With that being said, you guys have a great day. Peace.